If you're searching for an affordable Caribbean getaway that won't break the bank, Whala Bocachica might just be the hidden gem you've been looking for. This three-star beachfront property sits right on the stunning shores of Bocachica in the Dominican Republic, offering guests direct access to some of the most beautiful white sand beaches in the Caribbean. What sets this place apart from other budget-friendly options is its prime location combined with an all-inclusive package that delivers solid value for money. The hotel caters primarily to families, couples, and groups who prioritize beach access and a relaxed atmosphere over luxury amenities. Let's start with the accommodations, which are refreshingly honest about what they offer. The standard rooms are compact but functional, measuring around 20 to 25 square meters, which translates to roughly 215 to 270 square feet. These rooms come equipped with either one double bed or two twin beds, making them suitable for couples or friends traveling together. Each room features air conditioning, which is absolutely essential in the Caribbean heat, along with a ceiling fan for extra comfort. You'll find a flat-screen television for those rare moments when you're not at the beach, and a private bathroom with a shower that gets the job done. The rooms also include free Wi-Fi, though guest reviews suggest the connection can be spotty at times, and a telephone for any hotel services you might need. Safety boxes are available, though they might be located at the front desk rather than in your room. The decor is simple but cheerful, featuring bright Caribbean colors and tiled floors that are practical for sandy feet. Most standard rooms offer either garden views or partial sea views, and they can accommodate up to 2 adults, with some rooms able to fit an extra child with an additional bed. For families or those needing more space, the family rooms are a smart choice. These larger accommodations span 30 to 35 square meters, providing significantly more breathing room with either 2 double beds or a double bed plus a sofa bed arrangement. The amenities mirror those of the standard rooms, but with the added benefit of space that makes a real difference when you're sharing quarters. These rooms typically overlook the garden or pool area and can comfortably house up to 4 guests. The hotel also offers a limited number of suites for those willing to spend a bit more. These upgraded accommodations measure around 40 square meters and include a separate sitting area, which is perfect for relaxing after a day in the sun. Some suites feature balconies or terraces, and they come with enhanced amenities like a minibar and coffee maker, plus upgraded bathrooms. The suites typically offer sea views and can accommodate 2 to 3 guests with more privacy and comfort than the standard options. Moving on to the dining experience, Whala Bocachica keeps things simple but satisfying with their all-inclusive approach. The main restaurant operates on a buffet system, which might not sound glamorous, but actually works quite well for the diverse crowd this hotel attracts. The cuisine focuses on Dominican specialties alongside international favorites, giving guests a chance to try local flavors without venturing too far from their comfort zones. The menu highlights include fresh seafood that takes advantage of the hotel's coastal location, perfectly grilled meats, traditional rice and beans that are staples of Dominican cuisine, an abundance of tropical fruits that taste like sunshine, and a selection of desserts that provide a sweet ending to your meals. The restaurant operates on a schedule that accommodates most travelers, serving breakfast from 7 to 10 in the morning, lunch from 12:30 to 3 in the afternoon, and dinner from 7 to 10 in the evening. The dress code is refreshingly casual, so you don't need to pack formal wear, and the restaurant can seat approximately 150 guests without feeling cramped. Reservations aren't required, which adds to the relaxed atmosphere, and occasionally the hotel spices things up with themed buffet nights such as Caribbean Night, where they showcase even more local specialties. The pool bar complements the main restaurant perfectly, serving as the social hub of the property. This casual venue specializes in tropical cocktails that embody the Caribbean spirit, along with soft drinks and light snacks for those midday munchies. The bar operates from 10 in the morning until 11 at night, ensuring you're never far from refreshment. The best part is that swimwear is perfectly acceptable, so you can grab a drink without changing out of your beach attire. The bar can accommodate 40 to 50 guests and features an open-air design that maximizes the tropical atmosphere. Happy hour specials add extra value to the all-inclusive experience, making it even easier to unwind and socialize with fellow travelers. The pool and beach facilities are where Whala Bocachica really shines, especially considering the price point. The hotel features one large outdoor swimming pool that measures approximately 15 meters by 8 meters, with depths ranging from 1.2 to 1.8 meters, making it suitable for both confident swimmers and those who prefer to stay in the shallow end. The pool area includes everything you need for a perfect day in the sun, including the poolside bar we mentioned earlier, plenty of sun loungers for soaking up rays, and umbrellas for when you need a break from the Caribbean sun. The pool operates from 8 in the morning until 8 at night, and the hotel provides towels so you don't need to pack your own. Drink service is available right to your lounger, making it easy to stay hydrated and happy. But the real star of the show is the beach access, which is where this hotel truly delivers on its promises. The property sits directly on a white sandy beach with calm, shallow waters that are absolutely perfect for swimming, even for families with small children. The hotel enjoys approximately 500 meters of beachfront, giving guests plenty of space to spread out and find their perfect spot. The water is that gorgeous turquoise color you see in Caribbean postcards, and it genuinely is beautiful in person as it looks in photos. For those interested in water activities, kayaking, paddleboarding, and snorkeling equipment can be rented nearby, though these aren't included in the all-inclusive package. The beach service includes sun loungers and umbrellas, and you can even get drinks delivered right to your spot on the sand, which feels pretty luxurious regardless of the hotel's budget-friendly positioning. When it comes to activities, Whala Bocachica offers enough to keep you entertained without overwhelming you with choices. The fitness center provides basic equipment including treadmills for those who want to maintain their workout routine, stationary bikes for a quick cardio session, and free weights for strength training. The gym operates from 7 in the morning until 9 at night, giving you flexibility to work out when it suits your schedule. While there are group fitness classes, the equipment is well maintained and adequate for most fitness needs. The hotel also offers limited spa services, primarily focused on massages that can help you relax after days spent in the sun and surf. These treatments are available by appointment through the front desk, though the options are more basic than what you'd find at a luxury resort. Entertainment at the hotel strikes a nice balance between organized fun and letting guests create their own experiences. Several nights a week feature live music that adds to the tropical atmosphere without being overwhelming. Occasionally, you'll be treated to dance shows that showcase local culture and provide a glimpse into Dominican traditions. The entertainment is authentic rather than overly produced, which many guests find refreshing compared to the sometimes forced atmosphere at larger resorts. For families traveling with children, Whala Bocachica provides basic but adequate facilities and activities. There's a kids club that operates during afternoon hours with supervised activities that give parents a chance to relax while ensuring children are entertained and safe. The shallow beach waters are particularly appealing to families, as parents can feel confident letting their children play in the surf. The pool area is also family-friendly, with depths that accommodate various swimming abilities. During holiday periods, the hotel organizes special celebrations for Christmas and New Year's that create memorable experiences for families celebrating away from home. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.